It's got a 60-volt battery. Currently, it's like really tuned well. It's fast as hell.
Imagine if you put both tires. I did put another motor. Yeah, but I didn't like that. It spins. Oh, this.
Can I try this out real quick?
Sure.
Is that okay?
Yeah. Give me 1 second.
What's your name again?
Edwin.
Edwin.
What is your name?
Kevin.
Kevin.
Yeah. I'm gonna do a video on it, so like check out the freaking shredder. And what do you do to?
That's a thumb throttle.
This?
Yeah.
Go all the way down.
All right.
It's a smooth transmission.
All right, people. I'm on Edwin's freaking souped-up FIIDO, which I've always wanted to get on. And this thing has a, I think it's got a BAC 4000 motor controller. It's got a 2000 watt, 3000 peak motor, and it's not really a dirt thing, but I'm gonna take it in the sand anyway. It's got some freaking power, people, and it's got awesome brakes apparently. So it's very custom. A lot of people take these bikes, they put, and it's got a 60 amp battery, or excuse me, 60 volt battery. A lot of people put 72 volt batteries in these really high-end motors, but this thing's got 60 volt battery and like I said, a 2000 watt 3000 peak hub motor. Comes with like a really, maybe a 250 or something. It usually goes like 15 miles an hour stock. This thing goes 48 and it's just nuts. Look at that shit. Oh my god. When you freaking give it throttle, even after you're going 15 miles an hour, it starts to wheelie on you. Like, really? I don't know. This thing is so freaking fun. It's just so small and zippy, you know? Like, man, you can do anything with this freaking thing, and it's light as hell. You can literally just throw it in a subway, on a train, on a bus, in your car. You could freaking put it in a backpack and take it into a classroom, you know? So, 48 miles an hour, he says, which is just nuts for a little bike like this. And it looks like it has 16-inch wheels, which makes you wonder, like, you know, the turning radius is not very wide on this. So you gotta be really careful. It's probably a little tenuous when you try to like turn fast. And I don't know, you're sitting upright, but like when I gun it, I'm going 15 miles an hour and I gun it, it still pops a wheelie. So you almost have to like lean forward when you're gunning it. Yeah, that's what you gotta do. So anyway, this thing is fun. I love it. Thanks to Edwin to let me drive it. To Edwin for letting me drive it. But yeah, he's right. You gotta like lean forward on this shit. Digging it, people. Digging it. FIIDO, baby. FIIDO. Like it, right? Yeah. It's got some power, people. All about the power, and I'm all about the small bikes. All about the minis. Love me the minis. So, anyway, that's Edwin's FIIDO, or FIIDO. I've always wanted to ride one, and now I have, and I'm freaking excited. I'm excited to talk about it. I'm gonna probably compare the stock specs with what it comes with what he put in it. Okay. So that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. God bless. Peace out. Edwin. Brilliant. Edwin, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, brilliant, dude. That is so fun.
Right.
But you just bought it from somebody.
No.
Oh no, your buddy customized it.
I did.
Oh, you did it?
I did.
Oh, okay.
I did the whole thing. I built the battery.
So 60 volt,
Yeah.
2000 watt.
I'm not
Peak
sure.
3000.
The watt of the motor. Yeah.
And what else has changed? Anything?
Oh yeah. Literally everything. Like.
The controller is, what's the controller?
It's a Sabaton.
A what?
Sabaton.
Sabaton, okay.
Controller, the battery, motor, tires.
You know how much you put into it?
Right. I would say
At least 3, right?
at least, but the battery I got it for free because
Oh.
I had a Lone Star before, you know, the lacrosse board.
Okay, yeah.
I had one, and then the battery it had some issues, so they sent me a new battery. So
That's badass.
I stripped down the whole battery and rebuilt it again.
Because those go for like $2,000 probably.
Oh actually 1200.
Oh, is that it? Okay.
The battery is 1200 watts.
So what kind of range you get?
40 miles at least.
Wow.
Yesterday I did 44 miles with Benny. He was riding his Turan. You know what is mountain body?
Yeah, he was telling me about it.
Man, it's awesome.
Yeah, they said there's no cars.
So nice.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
A lot of S turns and stuff.
Yeah, lots of S-turns.
But man, that's fun. Is that your only bike?
Huh?
Is that your only bike?
I have a Thunder scooter.
Oh, okay.
Dual Tron Thunder.
Oh, okay, cool.
It's a really nice scooter.
Dude, I didn't realize, like, you were telling me this, Tony, that you have to lean forward. So I was going 15 miles an hour and I hit the throttle and it freaking went like that. Like when you're going fast already. So yeah, then you have to start leaning forward.
Yeah, you have.
Especially when you're my weight. But dude,
Otherwise
you too?
Yeah.
Wow.